And welcome to this channel. So in this video, I will show you the step-by-step guide on how to have Kodi on your device. So the first thing to do is to open Chrome from your browser. Once you open it, then you're on the Chrome interface, you type Kodi.tv. And once you click on it, it brings you here. Now you click on the first option. So once you get here, you scroll up, you scroll down, then click on download. Once you click on download, then it brings you here. You see different versions of Kodi available on different operating systems. You have the Windows, Linux, Android, Raspberry Pi, Mac OS, iOS, tvOS, WebOS. These are different versions that you can choose from, right? Okay, so for this purpose of this video, we're going for the Android version, right? So if you're using a Fire TV device, you can choose the Android version and then navigate towards the stable device, stable OS that will serve your system. So click on this. Once you get here, yeah, for the sake of installation, you'll see we have Google Play. So we are using Google Play for this because if you're using Fire TV device at this point, you have to navigate to ARMv7A. But since you're not using a Fire TV device, you're using only Android, so we're going to use Google Play.